Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover how to create donut charts and pie charts in Looker Studio. From the toolbar up here, add a chart and choose the pie chart or the donut chart icon. And when you do that, you would just drag and select the area where you want to add the chart. So we have this donut chart here. Make sure we're in data. Make sure our source is correct. For our Google Analytics 4, click on the dimension and type in source. Toggle the drill down off. For the metric, we'll type in sessions. And now it'll show us what percentages, how the traffic is divided up among the sources. So this chart, this donut chart, shows us 10 slices. You can change this to a pie chart by clicking on this drop down arrow under the properties pane and then selecting the pie chart icon. Now whether you're using a donut chart or a pie chart, you don't want too many slices because then it becomes difficult to tell how big the slice is, as in what percentage of the pie each slice is. So you can decrease the number of slices in the chart, and then the rest will be grouped into others. So we can bring this down to 5 slices, and then the chart will adjust accordingly. If you want the full comprehensive Looker Studio tutorial, including how to connect data sources and how to configure dashboards and reports, check the link on the screen or the link in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.